Hi, my name's Sam. I am the Paid and Social Media Manager here at Matter Solutions. Today I'd like to discuss how we can make AdWords, which is now Google AdWords, and the ad text more effective. Ad text is very important because A, it's the first touch point of your brand, B, it can help lower your cost per click, and C, of course, without ad text, you don't have any search marketing at all. So how can ad text impact the success of an ad? I have a saying that is appeal to the human and satisfy the AI. So in order to write effective and quality ad text, you need to do those two things. And by appealing to the human, obviously the human is someone that wants to buy your product, so you need to be able to provide them with something that's going to appeal to them and entice them to purchase your product or service. And the satisfy the AI portion is actually in regards to using the keywords and writing the ads in a certain way that Google can read them and actually makes a connection between the keywords and the ad text to give you a better quality score. It's very possible to tank an ad through bad ad text. Essentially, it decreases the click-through rate. Of course, if you're not appealing to the human, they're not clicking on your ads as often, which decreases your click-through rate. When you decrease your click-through rate, you decrease your quality score, and a decreased quality score results in an increased cost per click. If you want to learn anything more about ad text or keywords or any kind of strategy in relation to Google Ads, come back and see me here at Matter Solutions.